Good day, guys. Welcome to Trendy channel. Trendy channel we do video, do tutorials on church flyer, any kind of flyer, majorly on pixel art. So now there's this trending picture of AI. Let me say is another pattern of AI. Kind of the name is Ghibli-style of picture. A situation whereby you turn your picture into cartoon within a space of 30 seconds or highest 1 minute, depending on your network from your end. Now there are several means of achieving this picture. There are several ways that you can achieve this picture that you're seeing here. There are several ways that you can achieve these pictures that you're seeing here on my screen. Now let me show you the original picture so that you will see what we're talking about. Now this is the picture, this is also the picture, this is the picture, and this is also what the picture. So there are different means that this picture can be achieved. So let me show you the first means. Now the first means is Play Store. Who is that? Come inside. So the first means is Play Store. Tell her to come and take it. So the first means now is Play Store. So if you go to your Play Store, or maybe go to your Play Store, then you type Ghibli Studio. Type Ghibli Studio. Now you see several AI app. You see a lot of them. So you begin to choose the one that you will need, the one you will use, and also the one you will need for your this thing. Then you can also use Snapchat in this conversion. You can also use Snapchat in this conversion. I'm sorry, guys. So now let's just head over to our AI. Then we use our AI. So use your chat GPT. You can use an AI app. Just use your chat GPT. Tell her to come and take it by herself. Just use your chat GPT or come. Then just tap on import your image to the chat GPT. Just tap on your screen. Then let me say, for instance, now this picture, now just upload the picture, allow the picture to load. Then you write at the down, transform this image to Ghibli style. You send. You know, the truth about AI is that in most times he lacks accuracy. Most times AI lacks accuracy. So even the pro version, even when you bought the premium version of the app, most times it lacks accuracy. That's just the truth about AI in most cases. So let's see what our results will look like. Are you seeing? Okay, let's allow our picture to load. Allow our picture to load. My God. Okay, do you see? This is the picture AI gave to us, and this is the picture that we upload to AI. This is the picture we uploaded. This is the result we got. So this is how this thing is being done. You can also pay for the premium version of the Ghibli-style app to get the premium version, whereby you can have a little bit of accuracy. So please kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial.